Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Starting a brand new video today for you on a 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. We're doing the 4-inch BDS kit, which is actually more like a 6-inch kit. We're doing some 22x12 TIS wheels, and we're going to be doing some 35-inch Fury MT tires. This is not a sale that I have dealt with before in the past, so I'm kind of getting surprised with it this morning like you guys are. And I'm going to find out more about the build as the video goes on, but stay tuned. We're about to get started on it right now. So the customer that brought this truck is said he's a long-time subscriber to the channel. He's been watching for a couple of years. I've had my channel for maybe 3 or 4 years now, so, I mean, to be watching that long is a long time, and I appreciate it. The truck is amazing. It's that color you want. Right away, I'm seeing, what's up with the valence? Is it smaller? Or is it missing? I think he just took the valence off of it. Something looked different about it. But anyways, the truck is all black. We're going to be doing all black wheels. The BDS kit's going to be phenomenal on here. I don't know if he got the basic kit or if he upgraded the struts or whatever. I'll have to find out on that, in just a few minutes. I know that the wheels are all black. It's going to look really, really good, all blacked out. Stay tuned for the process. We're about to get started right now. We've got our Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss ready to go. The truck looks amazing. The customers are here in the office. They're ready to go. I think he's a local guy, well, somewhat local. He lives in Smyrna, Georgia, which is probably an hour and a half away, but the truck looks great. I got in the truck and I saw the Darth Vader little action figure in here, and I started to realize what he's got going on here. This truck is blacked out. There's every piece of this truck is black, and it looks amazing. He said the truck is named Darth Vader, so makes total sense. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like, and I appreciate everybody watching. So here's our beautiful 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. We did the BDS lift kit on this truck. They do offer an optional front lift method. You can either do the factory strut with the spacer, like with the kit comes right out of the box, or you can do a Fox Preload 2.0 strut, which is it's probably a $500 upgrade for that, or you can do the Fox 2.5 coilovers, which is a very significant upgrade. To be completely honest with you though, either the Fox 2.0 strut or this spacer, they ride the same. It's all like a look. You know, if you want that strut to be changed out and not have the factory Rancho on it still, then you can do it, but you don't have to. The kit is amazing the way it is right here with the spacer. It does come with the upper control arms. They're very nice. Cross member here down in the front on the BDS kit comes with the skid plate right there. It looks really, really good. The angles are really good on the kit too. Let me show you the angles. Flat, just a little bit above flat. If you would set this kit at 4 inches, it would be dead flat. 6 inches, you have a little bit of an angle, but it's still better than what the factory truck is on a leveling kit. So I like that a lot. The wheel and tire we went with, it's a 35 1250 22 Fury Country Hunter MT2. Very good alternative to spending the money on the Nittos. They don't ride quite as good as the Nitto and Toyo, but it's a really, really good, you know, alternative. You're not trying to spend $500 a tire. You can get these for a little bit less. The wheel is the TIS 563B, I think is which wheel it is. It's a gloss black concave wheel. It's new for this year. Very, very good price point on this one. So if you like the wheel, it's a good one to go with. Let me know what you think about the overall stance of the truck in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. 678-994-9180 is the number here. I'm gonna put a quote at the end of this clip so that you can see what the price is if you're at home curious. And if you have any other pricing questions, just call me. Thanks for watching, guys.